Here we are, not exactly what photographers would call a good location, but with some simple tricks you can even take here some really nice pictures. First of all, let's have a look around. There are a few spots that could make for a nice background. Why not adding some color to our image? So I decided to use that red door as a background. By placing my four-legged model in front of the door, I now have a nice even backdrop. I also let Emil keep some distance to the door. Remember depth of field? By using a wide aperture, the door will be totally blurred out, leaving just a nice red something. Using a narrow aperture, the door will be much more dominant because it will appear sharper in the image. But I don't want that, so let's go with the wide aperture. This is how the photo looks like. Doesn't remind of a parking lot at all, does it? What else could you do? Well, you could simply get closer to your model. By doing that, you instantly eliminate a large part of the background. Having done that, you could go really low with your viewpoint in order to almost completely lose the rest of the background. Again, choosing a wide aperture helps to get rid of all those unwanted elements, leaving just some blurry gray whatever in the foreground. Not bad, huh? So, if you happen to be stuck with an ugly environment, remember that there are always some ways to get the best out of it.